Hey friends, it's Laura here, and I've got a really exciting video for you. Probably more exciting for me than it even is for you, but I know you're going to love it. So I received some happy mail from my pen pal and online friend, Serena B, and I can't wait to show you what she sent me. It is so full of all the Christmas goodness and all the good vibes, and really inspired me for future projects I can make and things to focus on in my happy mail when I send to other people. And I thought you would love this happy mail inspiration as well. So here's the packaging she sent. And I love the cute little bow with the twine, and I love the overlapping candy canes in different colors here. It's so cute and fun, and I think it's really kind of like that childlike joy of Christmas. I love that orange color and then the red. So fun. And I'm actually really excited to try these and see what flavors they are, because usually if they are a different color, they're a unique flavor. Opening up this first package here, it's got the cutest little washi tape on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got cute little winter cats. Some of them are in presents, some of them have scarves on. Super adorable. So the first thing that she sent is this cute little booklet. I am so excited. And in her note to me, she said that this was for documenting my favorite parts of Christmas. I'm keeping a December daily traveler's notebook throughout December, so I'll have one place for all of my Christmas memories and all of my December and holiday memories, but this is particularly for housing my absolute favorites. And I really love that. It's so beautiful. You can see she added little gemstones to the ornaments on the Christmas tree. It shines and sparkles. There's a gold star on top. I love this cute paper pattern here from the Merry Days collection. And then on the back it says Season of Joy, and it has this beautiful red ribbon that can tie around the front to keep it closed. And then opening it up, this is what it looks like. Here is the back of it, very simple. It's all that same pattern, absolutely beautiful. And then in the first pocket, we have some almond bark black tea. In the second pocket, we've got some cute little baggies here. I absolutely love this. I love those gold letters. They say holiday love. I love the font, the color, all of it is just perfect. And all of the little gemstones. I love gemmies. And she even sent me some, so that's perfect. And she decorated this whole thing already. So all I have to do is add in my favorite tags or photographs or memories. And you can see what it looks like when I take out all of the goodies that she put in there, how easy it would be to just slide my different favorite photographs or maybe a tag with a photograph on the front and some journaling on the back about why that was one of my favorite memories from Christmas this year. And it's got 4 different little pocket sections here for me to add different things into. And it's such a cute little mini book. I love how she decorated it. I love that all the work's done for me, so all I have to do is add my stuff in. And it's so adorable. I think this is such a precious and fun, thoughtful gift to give to anybody. And then on top of it, she added tons of fun things to the inside too. So that is the first part of what she sent me. And here is the second main part of what she sent me. And this is one of her DIY embellishment boxes. She has a video on how to make this on her channel, so I will link that down in the description below. And this is so beautiful. I was so geeked that she sent this to me because I actually commented on that video and I was like, oh my gosh, stop, that's so beautiful. And she ended up sending my favorite one to me, so that's kind of super awesome. And you can see the front here is decorated again with those cute little gemstones and some gold foil stickers. We've got lots of Merry Days here, the cute little swan and these little presents. And then if I open this up, it is filled with little embellishments. So she sent me this really cute silver snowflake charm chain thing. and a gold one as well. And I love the color of this gold. It's like not too yellow. The Merry Days collection this year has a lot of that silvery gold, like champagne gold. I really love it. I think it's so classy. And then up in the top here, we have some different embellishments. This cute little frosted tree. And then these cute little puffy silver snowflakes. I cannot wait to use these in a scrapbooking layout. They're gonna be incredible. And you can see she added crinkle paper to all of these little sections. So fun. And then we've got some rhinestone bow stickers there, a cute glitter tree sticker, a gold snowflake one with white glitter on it, a red bow, a silver foil snowflake, and another one of those rhinestone bow stickers. Lots of bows. And then in this section here, we've got lots of cute little bits. We've got another one of those frosted trees, this little paper clip with a Santa head on it. And she has sent me a couple of different sizes of jingle bells here. We've got a gold one and a silver one. And then she also sent me some really cute little rhinestones here. So we've got like two different muted blue ones, another blue one, and then down in here is a pink one or a purple one. I hope you can see that on camera. They are so pretty and I cannot wait to add these to a project. They have a little bit on the back where you can sew through them. So I could use these for my Traveler's Notebook keychain charms that I make. And I super love that she put some thought into that for things that I make regularly and things that I might want to use. So thoughtful. In here we've got some gold and pearl stickers. And then this whole thing is just filled with iridescent snowflakes. I love snowflakes. And then in here we've got some different trims. This cute furry one. I don't know where people get this stuff, but it's so fun. And then here we've got some ribbon and it has a ton of different little snowmen on it. In this section we have a greened sequined bow. Moving right along here, we've got this cute little tassel that's a flower. I love this and I cannot wait to use it. It's in a very summery, springy color. So that'll be perfect for some New Year's projects in the beginning of next year. And then in that same pocket, there's also a sample washi of some gold polka dotted pink washi there. We've got some puffy stickers. This one is a cute little hot chocolate mug with some marshmallows and it's got gold foil on the Christmas tree that's on the mug. And then we've got a mug that's shaped like a snowman. How cute. Again, it has gold foiling. I love puffy stickers. They're probably one of my favorite things. And then another mug here with a peppermint on top and a gold foil snowflake on it. And then the very last section here, we've got this cute puffy sticker. It's a little present. It's got tulle coming out the top. It says Be Merry on it. It's got another sticker there that's a present. We've got some cute little gemmies there in that cute red color. Some little ephemera bits. Another sticker. Lots of little stickers here. And then another puffy dimensional sticker with a stocking this time. So that is what my lovely pen pal Serena B sent me. I hope you have enjoyed taking this look at her Happy Mail and what came in my mailbox today. I'm so excited to use up all these goodies and I thought this was just the most precious thing and this was so beautiful that it would inspire some of you, and if you haven't checked out her channel already, I will link that below in the description bar. She has process videos on how to make these things if you want to make them yourself, so that's super awesome. I hope you have enjoyed this look. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more Happy Mail unboxing and boxing up videos in the new year, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the fun stuff that I share here. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!